will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate internet marketing in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos, ready to show you the latest internet marketing strategies through 2019 and 2020. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Video number 1. What is internet marketing in 2019 and 2020 all about? Video number 2. Optimizing your website for search engines in 2019 and 2020. Video number 3. Creating blog posts that attract organic traffic in 2019 and 2020. Video number 4. How to get your YouTube marketing videos on the first page of search results in 2019 and 2020. Video number 5. How to compose killer social media marketing posts in 2019 and 2020. Video number 6. Amplifying your reach with a paid Facebook marketing campaign in 2019 and 2020. Video number 7. Generating qualified website traffic with a Google Ads campaign in 2019 and 2020. Video number 8. How to create a powerful email marketing campaign in 2019 and 2020. Video number 9. Recovering abandoning visitors with remarketing in 2019 and 2020. Video number 10. Generating more sales leads on autopilot with a Facebook Messenger bot in 2019 and 2020. Video number 11. How to funnel more qualified leads and referral traffic to all your marketing channels with a giveaway. Video number 12. Building a complete internet marketing plan for 2019 and 2020. Video number 13. Alternative internet marketing methods that make instant money in 2019 and 2020. Video number 14. Internet marketing strategies for e-commerce enthusiasts in 2019 and 2020. Video number 15. Internet marketing best practices in 2019 and 2020. Video number 16. Advanced internet marketing tips and tricks that work in 2019 and 2020. Video number 17. Internet marketing do's and don'ts in 2019 and 2020. Video number 18. Internet marketing premium tools and services to consider in 2019 and 2020. Video number 19. Internet marketing shocking case studies in 2019 and 2020. Video number 20. Internet marketing frequently asked questions in 2019 and 2020. Well, it's time for you to start getting the most out of internet marketing in 2019 and 2020 on behalf of your business. I know you'll love this training.